Good morning all. Welcome back to the day 21 of SQL learning series. So today we have another business problem is write an SQL query to obtain the third transaction of every user. We have to print the output in the form of user ID, spend and transaction date. So we have to fetch the third transaction of every user. As you can see in the table, there is a user ID which is counting 111, 111 and 111. There are in the three user ID. By looking at the table, we can easily see that we have to fetch the result from column from row 1, 2 and 5 because only these column have three fields. So we have to print the third record of this. So because this is a small table, we are working in a small table, so we can clearly see the result. So let's automate this query. So if we got in a bigger problem, so how we will fetch out the result? So we need to print user ID, spend, and we need to print transaction date. And now, let's make it to read out clearly. Spend transaction date, and now we want row number. We need to add one column so that we can rank them. So row number over, we need to partition it by user ID. Sorry, partition by user ID, and we need to put in order by transaction date, because we have only that column we can use. So we need we name this as rank from transaction transactions. So let's run this query. Let's see how it works. So basically it will add one column. Yeah. So as we can see that it's got in a line, and we can from here we can clearly see that we have to print this row 89.601, because this row only have the third transaction in a row, third transaction of every user. So what we can do is, let's put this in one query, one subquery, and else what we need to print is, we will copy everything from here, transaction date, and we will paste out here. So from transaction, just we need to print the last one. So where rm equals to 3. That's all we have to do. So let's see how it works. We want print select user ID. What is the error? User ID does not exist. But why? Oh, from, I forgot one thing, transaction date from the, that's how subquery will work. First the subquery will run and then it will fetch the result to the another one. So yeah, as you can see, there is only one row that we have to print, 89.60. Hope you will learn this concept. Thank you.